Hey human! So today I have a vlog for you, and the vlog is about my workplace.
Hurry up, hurry up.
I work with this amazing human beings. Sometimes some of them are amazing, sometimes they are not.
Say the truth.
But we are here and work is about to start. I love my organization because we commit everything to God. So that's how our day started, committing the year in God's hands. Let's do this. So, embarking on a new chapter is what I will call this. As work begins, we're fueled by optimism and excitement for the journey ahead. Join us in this inspiring YouTube post as I delve into the anticipation, enthusiasm, and positive vibes that comes with a fresh start. In this video, I capture the essence of a promising beginning where each day holds the potential for growth, learning, and achievement. I work with amazing human beings, have I said so? So, whether you're starting a new job, a new project, or simply embracing a new day, this video is a reminder to approach every opportunity with an open heart and positive mindset. I love my organization because we commit everything to God. That's exactly what we're doing right here. We're praying and committing the new work year into God's hands. So I am happy and excited to share this with you. You will see a lot of unity that our team has, and we just channel our collective energy into making the most of what lies ahead. Together, we usually will just navigate through life's challenges, celebrate our victories, learn valuable lessons that shape our path forward. Prayer is key. That I know very well. And my troublemaker baby sister Vanessa led us in praise and worship. It was beautiful, inspiring, I must say. And we are back. Of course, there was time to catch up, be crazy, and be silly. You remember my crazy bunch? We are back. Yes, we are. And it was just fun until proper work starts. At some point, these my colleagues, oh my god, sometimes we forget that the seriousness and all of that, and just meet the rest of every other person. You know them. It was kisses, hugs, and until let me just leave it at that.
Mrs. Adeosi.
I'm not kissing her. Alright guys, let's go back to work. I've resumed. Remember Mrs. Ajayi? And troublemaker wants to run. I don't know where she's running. Welcome back, Mrs. Ajayi.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, I'm going to my desk.
I know. If I don't put troublemaker upload, what have I done? Like, what have I really done? Welcome back, everybody. Hey, it's raining. Oh my God, it's raining. Welcome back. So, seriousness starts now. Oh, let's go to work. We are back again. Look at my. Do you mind? I'm vlogging. Do you mind if I use? This is my new colleague, Ethan. Really? He's volunteering with us. Let's go to work.
Did you hear me? I just said Ethan is my colleague. Yes, he is. He's volunteering in our office to learn work ethics, and this bunch of human beings, they miss each other. She's getting married, she's leaving. A lot of people are leaving. But hey, that's just how life is. As they leave, more people join the team, and see all these fake criers. They're not fake, but she's leaving us too. And hey, life is a journey of constant evolution. What do you do? And as we take those few steps, let's hold on to the spirit of optimism. They're all leaving, and Mrs. Rachel is praying for them. This spirit of optimism that propels us towards greatness. So, I'll request that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's embark on this exciting adventure hand in hand.
Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you so much for coming.
Now, this one will support you with some amount.
Man, Nigeria is not easy. So that is some good news. Cha-ching! So guys, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, especially if you haven't, and consider subscribing. Did I say that? Let's embark on this exciting adventure hand in hand. Here is to a new beginning, a future filled with endless possibilities. Hashtag new beginnings, hashtag optimism, hashtag journey ahead. I guess I'm gonna see you in my next video.
In the Lord. Another version says, those who wait on the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not faint. Praise the Lord. This year, we are going to hope in the Lord. We are going to wait on the Lord.
And this is the addition to the family. So as people leave, people come in. And thank you so much for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah! I love you.